Hello, in this video, we're going to talk about how to use the code block feature in articulaterise. So you can see on the screen here, I have a RISE course, just a brief sample of a block, and this is it. It's a scenario that was made using the code block feature in RISE. So if you wanted to participate, you can come in and make a choice. If I choose this one, for example, I get some great feedback, and I can move on to the next scenario. And as I go through, it's telling me I should reconsider this approach, and I'm just not really making great decisions at this moment, just to give you a sample of how it could play. And then at the end, I have a nice response telling me about the choices I've made, and also can come back and restart the scenario. That was built by adding a code block in RISE. Now, maybe you don't know how to write code. Well, I don't either. So let me show you how I created this code and then how I inserted it. For this example, I used Claude as my AI tool, and I chose the Sonnet model 4.6 and basically just asked it to create a code block for articulaterise from the perspective of an e-learning designer. And I wanted it to appeal to an audience of people who are managing volunteers in a nonprofit. And then I just told it what I wanted it to do. I wanted to create an interaction where the learner has to make some decisions using values-based communication techniques, and that the learner should be able to manage and motivate others effectively. And you can see here its response. It designed this interaction, and then it comes down here and it says, okay, here's even how you can use it in RISE. So it does most of the work, really. I just have to have the idea, and then I let in this case, Claude, but any tool that you choose to use could build something similar. And all I had to do up here was to copy the HTML code. Let me copy that. And now that I'm back in RISE, I can come in and add a new block. So I'm going to do that here. I'm going to come down here to the code block, and I'm going to choose Add Code. From here, I'll select Add Code again, and then I will paste that code that I copied here. And you can see already it has built that scenario for me using the code block in articulaterise. So even if you don't know how to write code, you can use AI to assist you in that, design your code, and then paste that into the code block, and you can have a unique, nice interaction in whatever way you chose to design it. Thanks for watching. Here at UConn Learning, we're all about making e-learning easy for everyone. Whether you're brand new to the tools or an experienced e-learning designer, we hope these videos will give you an opportunity to develop your e-learning development skills. You can check us out at uconnlearning.com.